Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Jensen with EdTech Integration. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to set up appointment slots or calendar groups within Canvas. So if we're on our home page or if we're on our dashboard here, on the left-hand side here, there's a calendar feature. So if you click on this, it's going to take us to our calendar. Now, we can have a couple different views if we wish. We can view things by the week, the month, or if we want, we can use the agenda option. So regardless of what view you're in, on the top right hand side here, it says create new event. Now I can create an event for students such as conferences, such as test days, such as whatever it may be. I can create assignments within here. I can create things on my to-do list, and I can create an appointment group. So let's say, for example, you wanted to set up a time slot where students could sign up to meet with you for conferences or for talking about assignments or grades, whatever it may be. I could come here and let's call this, I'll call this grade conference. So depending on where you are, you could say things like my room or online or whatever it may be. So I'm going to say my room. And then I'm going to select a calendar. Now, if you had multiple different courses that you taught, your calendars would be here. I'm going to select this calendar. And then I have the option here to have students sign up in groups. So if we're talking maybe about our projects or presentations or having a reflection about something like that, I can have that. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to pick my date. So in this case, we have conferences next week. So I'm going to pick February 4th. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add the time range. Now keep something in mind. If I was to put 1 p.m., this works off of military time. So if I put 1, it's going to think it's a.m. If I put 5, it's going to put a.m. So if I want things to be in p.m., I have to start at 12, and I have to go from there. So let's go to 1600. So let's say that this conference group or this time that we're going to be meeting is between 12 and 4 p.m. We could also select multiple days if we want. So we could have things on this Thursday, and we could have things on the following Thursday and the following Thursday after that, if we choose. And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to say divide into equal slots of 30. Okay, I'm going to choose to meet with my groups for 10-minute increments. You can do whatever you want here, obviously. This fits for me. And then we have options here. Limit each time slot to 1 user. So I only want 1 user to be a part of this, or if we wanted multiple users, we could say to 4 users each, if it wanted for a group or something like that, but in this case, 1 users. And then I can allow students to see who signed up for which time slots or not. If I didn't want that to be the case, I'd just leave this off. So let's say, for example, I'm meeting with 30 students. This is for one of my classes. Now it's going to break my time slots into 10 minutes between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. or 4 p.m. Okay, so it's going to break this into equal groups. I can come down here and I could say be prepared to bring your projects and talk about those, or prepared to take your grades and have a reflection about those, whatever it may be. And then I could push publish. Now, if I come over here, we see here, this is the event that I clicked. So I could say 1 slot available. I could click group details. And then this is the same page that I came here.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Jensen. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and think about subscribing.